Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your PS5 from safe mode. This is useful if PlayStation 5 isn't booting properly, keeps crashing, or you just want a fresh start. This method will help you fix it easily. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. Let's learn the steps. First of all, completely turn off your PS5. Make sure the white light on the top stop blinking and the console is fully powered off. Now press and hold the power button on your PS5. You will hear one beep right away and another beep after 7 seconds. Release the button after the second beep. Connect your DualSense controller to the console using a USB cable and press the PS button to activate it. Once this screen appears, confirms that you have successfully entered safe mode. Use your controller to scroll down to reset PS5. This will remove all user data and return your system to factory settings. Reset PS5, reinstall system software. This one is a deeper reset that requires you to reinstall the PS5 system software from a USB drive. You can download the latest system software from the PlayStation website. Both options will erase everything on your console, including games, saved data, and user accounts. So make sure to back up your data to the cloud or a USB drive before proceeding. Let's proceed with Reset PS5. On this screen, click Yes to continue. This will start the reset process. It's gonna take few minutes depending on how much storage is consumed by your PS5. Now console will restart automatically once the reset is complete. Once you see this screen, confirms that you have successfully reset the PS5. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.